Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I DIY my own gel manicure. I've been doing it now for quite a while, and I'm showing you here that really there's just some regrowth, and I'm really happy with the technique, and I haven't had any lifting, so I'd like to share it with you. So I'm going to take off this, I rough up the top surface, and then I soak it in acetone to remove it. But this video is really not so much about the removal as it is the application. So let's get into it. Once I've removed all the polish, I go ahead and use this cuticle eliminator, and I put that all over my nails and let it sit there for about 45 seconds, and then I go ahead and push back all my cuticles. This is essential because you don't want any of the gel polish to touch your cuticles, because if it does, you'll end up with lifting. So now's the time to shape your nails. Go ahead and file them, trim them, make them into your absolute desired shape. Then once you're happy with the shape of your nail, you come along with this block and you rough up the surface of your nail. You don't want your nail to be super smooth. You need it to have some tooth or some grit to it so that the polish has something to adhere to. So you really make sure you get the entire nail, the edges, and really do a meticulous job. Then I come in with alcohol because I really want to make sure I have all the residual products off my nails. So I found the alcohol as a prep is really the best way. I bought this Gelish Mini Basics kit on Amazon, and the first thing I do is I use the pH bond. Also in the kit comes the foundation, and this is your base coat. So you apply this in a very thin, even layer, and you definitely make sure to avoid your cuticles and the skin on the sides of your nails. This is really important so that you don't get any lifting. And then I cure it under the light, and you can see that it kind of has a blue tint when it's under the light. I like to wear a shirt that covers the back of my hands because this is UV light. I don't want to get extra exposure that would lead to age spots and things like that. So I like to wear a shirt that has protection over my hands, or you can also use sunscreen, just making sure that you don't get it on your nail. And then I just slowly do each nail, taking ultra care not to touch the cuticle or the surrounding skin, because if you do, it will lead to lifting. So really take care to not touch the skin or cuticle. This is really, really important. And then, I cure it under the light. And gel manicures take a very specific polish, so I ended up buying the OPI gel color, and this is specifically to work with UV lights. And the color I bought was Berry Fairy Fun, and it's a really pretty color. It's from the Nutcracker series, and I really like it. So now I'm ready to apply it, and you want to make sure you do very thin layers. Also, you don't want to touch the cuticle or the skin on the sides of your nails, because if you do, it will cause lifting. So definitely take care to stay away, and it does take some practice. And then you want to come in with a second coat, and again, you don't want to touch the cuticle and you don't want to touch the skin on the sides of your nails. And also, you want to make sure that you seal the top free edge. That is very important as well. And after 2 coats, I'm happy with the way it looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on my top coat. So in the kit, it also comes with this top it off, and I just go ahead and apply that, and I use the same principle. I do not touch the cuticle nor the sides of the nail, and I make sure I don't put it on too thick. And then I go ahead and put it into cure again, and you can see it has that blue light to it, and then when you take it out, it looks positively shiny and it lasts. Your nails will have a tacky feeling to them, and it comes with this nail surface cleanse, which you can use, or you can just use regular alcohol. That also works. And you do need some lint-free wipes. I just cut up a paper towel into squares and just go ahead and use that rather than buying a separate product. And once you eliminate that top coat, you will find that your nails are so shiny, and the manicure is just great. I love it, and I'm so happy. I'm saving so much money doing it myself now, and I'm doing it on my schedule, which I love. And then also in the kit comes the Nourish, which is a cuticle oil. So you put that all around your cuticles because the acetone does dry out your cuticles. And then there you have it. That is how I DIY my own gel manicure, and I love it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.